Good morning, everybody. Just want to say hello. Today is a new month, so you know what that means. It is new month for coupons to print on coupons.com. Now, I print my coupons on Swagbucks. A lot of you guys were wondering how I print my coupons, but on the left category over here, I usually just go to grocery. Let's just go home. I'm going to show you guys real quick. So what we do is we just go to shop, and then right here pops up grocery coupons. So that's how I find my coupons on the website. But I print my coupons off here. Sometimes you get 1, 2, or 3 points depending on what weekend it is, but I get points for every coupon that I print, which is awesome. So I'm using my gift cards to buy stuff at like Bath and Body Works for today and for the after Christmas when they do their semi-annual sale. But let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what coupons to print. Now you guys also need to check out savingstar.com because it's a new month, so they add new deals. A lot of you guys say I never get those. I'm giving you a warning right now. Add them to your account now because they might not always be there. But they did have a lot of coupons reset, like the Johnson and then the Pantene reset. A lot of them reset, but I haven't been printing off coupons. One thing I am going to show you guys very soon is the printer that I print. I have a Brother laser printer. I only print black and white. I've had that printer for, what, a year and a half now, and I've only had to change the ink on it once. So just giving you guys a heads up on that, and my ink is probably about 10 bucks. So I'm gonna do a video on that for you guys very soon. So just want to give you guys a heads up. But the Dial Body Wash reset, they still have a lot of the same old ones. I didn't really see anything really disappear. But here we got $2 off a Boost, $1 off a 2 Honeycomb, $1 off a 2 Slim Fast. We got s'mores, yogurt. Yeah, a lot of these are always the same. Now here's a $4 off Tenya, which could be a freebie. We have $1 off a 2 for General Mills. I always print that coupon off. We got Pillsbury, Loctite, Chips Ahoy, Nutter Butters. These were okay. I actually tried that cereal. It was okay. Would I buy it again? It's hard to say. Here we got $2 off L'Oreal product, gum, toothpicks, all Pantene. A lot of stuff kind of reset, but not as much new coupons as I wanted it to be, which I'm okay with. So just wanted to share with you guys with that. But that seems to be it on the new coupons to print. I just wanted to share with you guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.